Why did a Tibetan monk die in custody thousands of miles from home?
56-year-old Tulku Rigzin Hungkar Dorje, abbot of Ngon Monastery in Golog, Tibet, was announced dead on April 1st in Vietnam after being missing for months.
No autopsy, no viewing of his body, and no death certificate was provided to his family.
What we do know are reports that the Vietnamese police and Chinese agents arrested him in Ho Chi Minh City and that he died suddenly, days after being taken into custody.
The death of Tulku Hungkar Dorje is a portrait of all of the most pressing issues that Tibet faces today.
Transnational repression. Vietnamese police reportedly worked with Chinese agents to arrest him in Vietnam.
China's colonial boarding schools. Tulku Hungkar Dorje founded many schools that taught thousands of Tibetan nomadic students. Schools such as these, like Ragya Ganjong Shereng Nubuling, are being shuttered across the plateau, and Tibetan children are being shipped hundreds of miles away from home into Chinese state-run colonial boarding schools.
China's fake Panchen Lama. Earlier in the summer of 2024, Tulku Hungkar Dorje reportedly refused to host an elaborate reception for the fake Chinese state-appointed Panchen Lama during a propaganda tour in Golog.
Because of his defiance, Tulku Hungkar Dorje was reportedly subjected to intense harassment by the CCP, which coincides with the timeline of when he disappeared in fall of 2024.
And of course, in this story, we hear the echoes of the murder of Tulku Tenzin Rinpoche, another beloved Tibetan monk, religious leader, and philanthropist who was killed in Chinese custody because he enjoyed tremendous respect and influence over Tibetans inside Tibet, something the Chinese government will never have and always fear.
Now there are more questions than answers, and a grieving community demands justice.
Now we're calling on the Vietnamese government. Investigate. Return his body to his family. Tell the world the truth. And to the global community, stand with Tibet. Demand justice for Tulku Hungkar Dorje.